Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can easily use the OpenAI Agent Builder, step by step. First, go to the official OpenAI Agent Builder website. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're there, sign up using your Google account or any other login option. After signing in, look at the left sidebar. You'll see a section called Agent Builder. Click on it. Now you'll enter the Agent Builder dashboard, where you can start creating your own AI workflow agent. You can either build a custom agent from scratch or choose from the ready-made templates that OpenAI provides. Just click on any template to start. Before you continue, you'll need to complete your payment setup. Click on the payment section, then add your card details and confirm. Once that's done, your account will be ready to go. Now you can start building your own agent. In the Agent Builder, you have complete control over how your agent behaves and what it can do. You can add custom tools and actions that your agent will perform, like searching the web, writing content, summarizing data, or even running code. Define specific workflows for different types of tasks. For example, one workflow for customer support, another for writing, and another for automation. Connect APIs or external data sources so your agent can pull real-time information, integrate with your apps, or even access databases. Once your tools and workflows are ready, click Save and Deploy. That's it. Your AI agent is live and ready to work for you 24/7. You can test it instantly using the built-in chat interface, or share it publicly so others can use your agent. The best part? You can always edit, improve, or retrain your agent anytime. Just go back into the Agent Builder, adjust your prompts, update your workflows, or add new tools as you need. You can also manage multiple agents for different use cases, like a business assistant agent for your clients, a coding helper to generate and debug code, or a content creation bot to help with blogs, scripts, and social media posts. With OpenAI's Agent Builder, the possibilities are endless. It's designed for both beginners and advanced users. No coding required for simple workflows, but still powerful enough for developers who want deep customization. So that's how you can create smart, automated agents using OpenAI Agent Builder, all in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more amazing AI tutorials and tools coming up next.